Hello my dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here. I'm on a roll today, so let's keep going with habit number 4. So habit number 4 is so important to a lot of us, snacking, right? So replace your unhealthy snacks with healthy snacks. Probably easier said than done, right? So what do I mean by replace it with healthy snacks? So I'll give you some examples. So if you have a sweet tooth and your normal unhealthy snack would be, say, a chocolate bar or a piece of cake, for example, replace it with a healthier alternative. So my go-to is dried fruits. So I love dates, I love raisins, so that's what I love. But you can go just for fresh fruit instead. But I think, the dried fruit has that same or very similar kick of sugar, that kind of extra sugary taste. The only thing I'm gonna say, if you're gonna replace your chocolate bars and cakes with, say, dried fruit, make sure you drink water. Make sure you drink extra water with it, because it's very concentrated sugar. Dried fruits is very concentrated sugar, although it's quite good for you, but you do need to hydrate more to make sure that you dilute those sugars in your system. And if you're more savory snack person, so like me, I love my crisps, although I love sweets too, so I think both, I'm just too greedy. So if you're more into savory snacks, then I would advise to replace it maybe with some hummus, like homemade oil-free hummus, and vegetable sticks like celery, like carrot sticks, little you get these little small corn bits, or you could have tomatoes as well. So hummus and vegetables seem to do the trick for me when I'm after something savory, not to grab for that crisp packet. Let me know, what are your ideas of more healthy replacement snacks? So this is habit number 4. Replace unhealthy snacks with healthy snacks. So this is the 4th habit from my Weight Loss Unlocked program. So we going through this series of 6 healthy habits to implement over the 6 weeks, and we're on week 4 right now. And I hope you'll join me. So week 1 was hydration, making sure we drink at least half a liter of water in the morning to hydrate ourselves. Second was cooking without oil and not using oil for salads. So basically, removing oil from your kitchen. Third one what was the third one we did? Adding a healthy salad or a soup, with your main meals, to replace some of these unhealthy calories with healthier calories and more nutrition. So a healthy salad, green salad, or a soup with every meal. And then habit number 4 that we've just discussed now is to replace your unhealthy snacks with healthy snacks. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like my tips. Give me a thumbs up if you do. And if you're new here, welcome, and subscribe for more weight loss video tips like this, and also healthy recipes, some healthier veganized snacks on Wednesdays, and also my meal prep for weight loss show every Saturday. And remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in your body. Until next time.